it's Mrs. Wells, and I hope that you're enjoying your day so far. We are actually walking today to our Homewood Science Center and the farmers market area, so I will take you along with me, and I hope that you get outside. You can hear all the traffic. It's a beautiful day, not too hot, but nice enough for a walk. See you soon. Jacob, it's a blue truck.
I like that.
You like the green one? The orange one? All right, we got them all. Now we are walking back home, enjoying lunch in the stroller. And I hope that you all enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for following Mrs. Wells today to the Homewood Science Center, to the Homewood Farmers Market, and the car show. I hope you have a great day, and we will see you soon.